Good morning mga kalalas, everyone else. My house is noisy this morning because the MDJ's Roofing Company is here. Yay! After a few weeks raining, they can't do my roof. They've been trying to do my roof for the past 2 weeks. But here in Georgia, in Gwinnett County, where we are, it's been raining. So finally, it's a perfect weather here, so they can do my roof. So mga kalalas, I am just so thrilled that they are here now. I just can't thank them enough. So yes, so let's go and look. Alright mga kalaws, MDJ Roofing Company is here, and I am sorry I messed up my see, you guys, you see this, they're almost done of ripping off all that old roof. So they're almost done. As you see, that guy, he's blowing and cleaning the roof now. So I guess it's be easy for them to do that. And you see there's a truck, and there is Long, the manager. Thank you, Long, for letting me retaking it. So there you go. Yeah. And mga kalaws, that green, I guess that green thingy there, it's that green plastic, it's for, they cover it for you guys, so for your plants, so they won't ruin your plants. So there you go. Oh my gosh, what is that? Oh, what is that thingy? Is that came from my roof? Oh wow, the pole. So I'm gonna let's go look in the back, and I have to retake it because it's so. This is my yard. They're doing it. So as you guys see, there's a plastic over here, and as you guys see that they put that. I guess that's a plywood that they cover in your windows with the glass, so there's won't fall and break it. So there's no material will fall into your window, so they won't break it. So there you go. They're almost done. So there you guys. MDJ has been around for 10 years, but I know the owner for 11 years, and they live here in Gwinnett County, Atlanta, Georgia, in Gwinnett County. There you go, mga kalals. And also, yeah, he is, that guy over there, he's all already finished. Oh wow. So there is like a hole in that. I see. Well, let me see. I can close it up. It's like a hole. I wonder if those broken. I see a few holes on the roof. Now you can see it. I don't know how. So you can see it right there. I don't know if that hole is a rotten woods. So I don't know if it's a rotten wood, so or it's just there. So it looks like a rotten wood, so they have to remove it. There. Here's done in that side. Yeah, mga kalala, it's, yeah. So yeah, that's how they are. There they are. They're almost done. Okay, so mga kalala, I don't know where that come from. Unless it came off.
Yeah, the hammer. Yeah, you get it right.
So I don't know where this come from, but that came from the roof. I don't know where they took it. But as you guys see, mga kalalas, that's the old roof. And oh my God, it's, I think this has been around probably 35 years. It has not been changed. So look, my driveway is messy right now. Oh my God. That's Long, the manager for this project right now. He's a project manager. And yeah, so everyone, they are here in Gwinnett County, in Atlanta, Gwinnett County, and I spoke to the manager, and he said that they travel 4 hours away from here. I have to yell because it's noisy, so that way you guys can see. They travel 4 hours away from Gwinnett County, Georgia. So, and yeah, they're almost done. They'll be done today. They'll be done today, mga kalaos. So I'm their cameraman. So yeah, they have, wow. So earlier, mga kalala, my camera is not working. So, and I want to take this video for you guys so you can really see it in good and perfect. So I have my husband fix it. So that's why I have to retake this again. Make sure that you guys can really see how they work hard, and they really clean it. As you get that guy there with the blower, I guess he's done on top in there. And wow, that roof is really old. I think it's been around for as long as this house been built, and we have not changed it. So finally, when our house flooded, the insurance lady told us that our roof needs done too. Whoever you are telling my husband that my roof needs done, I really want to thank you, because I've been telling him that our roof needs done, but he doesn't move and doesn't believe me. But insurance lady, thank you so much. Now I have my new roof. And yes, and a new floor, new wood floor inside the house. So I got new roof and new wood floor and new paint. Yes. So this company is MDJ Roofing Company here in Gwinnett County, Georgia, mga kalaos. So if you guys around here, they travel 4 hours away from Gwinnett County also. So just call them, and I will give you guys their number later. So they're ready to do it. I'll go ahead and leave them alone so they can work, and then I will take a pictures again, the finished one, later on. Okay, so mga kalalas, there is their number right here. You did not move the car. Okay, so mga kalala, this is their company. It's earlier I showed you guys MDJ. If you guys can say, Roofing and Construction. And this is their contact number right here. Yeah, they travel 4 hours away from Gwinnett County, Georgia. Yeah, just want to make sure that you guys see it. Well, yeah, I am so excited. So mga kalala, they already finished with their taking out the old roof. So I'm going to ask the project manager what's that they're putting right now. Let's go and ask him. Long. So what is that plastic that they're putting right now?
Okay, this is the felt.
The what?
Synthetic felt.
Oh, okay.
So
But
this is we put on the top of the plywood before we put a shingle on the top.
oh, okay. Yep. Okay, so that's what it is, mga kalaw. So I'm just letting you guys know. Long is the project manager here today. So, and I don't know what that was they're putting in there. So that's why I asked him what it is.
Yeah, they call it synthetic felt.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I'm really happy. Everyone that they are here now. So working on my roof, and oh my gosh, I just can't thank them enough, because I bothered my husband about this roof when it's gonna be done. So finally they are putting my new roof. So there you guys. So Long told you guys what that plastic that they're putting in there, because I don't know what that is. So there. Oh my gosh, did you see guys that? Oh wow, so what's that? Wait, wow. So this is just also amazing how did you guys see that stairs that they, I guess that's for them to carry stuff upstairs if they need it. So as you guys see, there's people, few people in the roof on top, and then people downstairs that will bring what they need, and those had that machine there for them to carry, as you guys see it. And there is one person also cleaning up around the old roof. That way everyone has jobs in each part. So see if they'll be done by the time I come home for work, because I'm gonna go to work in a few minutes. So let's go. Long. Let's go ask Long what that is. So I think they're going to start putting the roof now. So the machine?
Go, go up there.
Okay, good. Long, I'm gonna go to work. Do you think you guys be here by 11:30?
Oh.
Over here, you guys be done by. I'll be back by 11:30. Are you guys still gonna be here?
Yeah, we're still here. We're still here.
Oh, okay, perfect. Thank you, Long. So there you guys. So they're done. Look at that, all kinds of trash. Thank you guys. Say hi to my vlog. That's them, and so, well, he's still there. Wow, they did a good job. Good job.
Thank you so much.
Good job. Yes. Now all I have to do is do some pressure washer.
Yeah, you have to pressure wash the siding.
Yeah.
Yep.
Looks good. I'm going. Thank you guys. You guys did a good job. So, mga kalalas, there you go. They did a great job on my roof. MDJ guys did a great job. Thank you, MDJ. They did an amazing job. Wow. There. So there you go, mga kalalas. So there you go, mga kalalas. MDJ Roofing, they did an amazing job on my roof. Please, if you guys ever wanted a roof done, call them and search it in the website. They're all over in the website. Is MDJ Roofing and Construction. So call them and let them come and see your roof, and they'll finish it for one day, depending on how big your house is. But there you guys, please give me thumbs up and subscribe in my video, and give the MDJ thumbs up also, and please comment down below and share my videos, and let me know how great job they did today. Thank you, MDJ. Bye.